One of the first things that I talk about with people with business is if they ever tell me about getting mad at somebody or if they ever talk to me about like getting pissed or whatever, one of the first things I say is today is the last day in business. And that's it. I do that because it's really important to know that emotions don't really have a place in business. Emotions are essentially signals, and we can talk about that, but it's just, it convolutes everything, and people don't really realize that they do have emotions in their own business, and that's also another reason like why someone can be held back in their business. So what do I mean by emotions are signals? So if I'm sad, my body's letting me know, oh, I need to change this situation. If I'm not going to be near my baseline, if I'm angry or if I'm mad, something needs to change. If I'm depressed, oh, my health is being affected by this decision, something needs to change. If I'm sad, wow, I feel like I'm getting cheated out of a really good deal. Or if I'm mad, there's a person that may need to go on my team. So when we talk about emotions in business, most people don't get and aren't self aware enough to be able to realize that they are expressing emotions in business. That's like taking a deal in order to feel good. That's like utilizing the analytics that you may have for any type of like marketing funnel, or if you're using social media, using those analytics as reasons to feel good about yourself. There's absolutely no place. And that's when we get out of reality and we're not making decisions in reality. And when we make decisions about our own business, it's really important, especially if it's something that we're living off of. So one of the first things that I always suggest people to do is, especially when you talk to me, today is the last day that emotions are a business. And it doesn't mean that you don't take anything personally, or it doesn't mean that if someone else can show emotion and you can't. I'm saying you will have an easier time navigating your business, navigating inside your business and navigating outside of your business as it relates to having emotions and not showing them, but being able to rework yourself to understand that they're just information. That's it. And this is Deshawn on Lead and Grow.